Hey, what's up, Tron holders? This is live price predication of TRX. This is absolutely going good result, but I don't know why the last 12-hour result is going bad. I don't know. This is last 12-hour result. You can see here the highest change is good, but the change of last 12-hour is not good. You can see here the last change of minus 1.73. Okay, so let's see the last 1 hour result. If we check it out, the last 1 hour result, I think that's good. They are going good. This is not bad. Oh my goodness, they are also very bad. So this is the selling time for TRX holder. If you are TRX holder, you want to sell it, this is absolutely good time for selling of TRX. This is change of minus 0.5. This and the few days they are going down. I don't know why, but they are going down. This is absolutely time. If you check that for a graph, this is absolutely going bad. You check it out. This is just last 1 hour. Okay, so let's see the 2 hour result. I don't know why they are going down. Also, let's see this 2 hour result. But the last 2 hour result is they're going good. They are going good. So absolutely, they are going good. Oh, I don't know why they are going down in the last 12 hour. And absolutely, and this day, this is very bad day for TRX holder. So this is good time, but I don't know why the last hour result is very bad. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news. I am updating you anytime. You anytime. This is very bad news, but what I can do, I'm also holder of TRX. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, press the bell icon for latest news.